English lesson for today. Now today we are learning about describing things. In the previous lesson we learned about adjectives, which are describing words. Today we are going to use those same words to describe different things, but we are going to describe them using size and color. So we are going to recall describing words. Then we are going to identify the size and color of objects. And remember, those are describing words. We will use these words to describe different objects. We will be describing the noun. So the words that you need to learn today are describe, size, and color. There will be a video link here, which is the video that you are watching right now. This is the assessment link that you need for today's lesson. So at the end, don't forget to go back to the PowerPoint and you are going to click on this link and complete the assessment. And this is your homework. You will write a creative sentence. Describe how you can be a good friend, because the theme for this month is friendship. So you are going to describe how you will be a good friend. Don't forget to think about the most creative describing words that you can think of. When you are done with that, you can play the following games, which are a lot of fun. So you can pause this video, scroll up to your PowerPoint and click on the link and play the game. Have fun. Now this is an optional activity sheet. You can complete these activity sheets if you have extra time. But if you don't, that's okay. But remember, extra practice is always good. And these are the school resources that you need for today's lesson. You will need your grammar book, page 53 to 54. Now, if you left your grammar book at school, that's okay. You can write it on a piece of paper as extra practice. Remember, we are going to be talking about size and color. These are the describing words we will be using today. Now let's get started. Today you are learning about describing things. You are going to describe different objects using size and then color. For example, big and blue. Big comes first, which is the size, then the color, which is blue. Now, adjectives are words used to describe the noun. These are the words that we use to describe the object. Remember, nouns are just objects, like a table, a teddy bear, a person. These are all nouns. They are just objects. And you are going to describe them using adjectives. And the adjectives you are going to use are size and color. Remember, size always comes first, then the color. So look at this tree. I want you to add the size, then the color. Look at the big green tree. The size is big. The color is green. The apple looks fresh. Now you are going to add the size and the color. The small red apple looks fresh. The size is small. The color is red. Remember, the describing words you are using today are only size and color. And what comes first? Amazing work. Size comes first, then the color. The bear is smiling. Now you're going to add size and color. The big white bear is smiling. Big is the size, white is the color. A butterfly flew into my house. Now remember, we are going to use size and then color to describe this butterfly. A small blue butterfly flew into my house. Small is the size, color is blue. The worm dug through the soil. You are going to add the size and the color. The long pink worm dug through the soil. The size is long. The color is pink. Now, you have a chance to watch these videos. These videos are about describing things. They are adjectives. Now remember, adjectives are words that are used to describe the noun. They are describing words. And in today's lesson, you learned two describing words that can be used: the size and the color. But remember, the size always comes first, then the color. Now you can watch these videos as extra practice. Both of them are about adjectives. Now remember, all of the YouTube videos that I use are just for educational purposes. Even if it has music, which is not allowed, it is only used for educational purposes so you understand the work a little better. Now thank you, dear learners, for joining today's lesson. I am so proud of you. Good luck with your assessment. Assalamu alaikum.